signs from your child that they may need a little more or that they're done, they've had enough. And Jeffrey, you also point out that
This is my teddy bear. He's going to be with me today. I don't think he's going to take care of me. I think he's just going to harass me all day because I'm going to be alone with him, and he's a big bully. Tries to get you when you're down. He growls a lot. Give me back my lipstick. Ow! Get off me. Teddy, give me kisses, Teddy. Get away. Stop messing with me.
And Jeffrey, you said also teachers themselves may be feeling some trauma. There were teachers slain.
Say bye, Teddy.